Alright folks, I've been kind of curious. Can you heat shrink saran wrap? Some people say no, some other people say yes. So I got some basic Walmart brand saran wrap, and let's go ahead, tighten it down as tight as we can get it. Okay, now I got my heat gun. I want to set it on low first. Well, what do you think, folks? Did melt a little bit right here, but for the most part, Well, like I said, it did melt a little bit right here, little holes. That was just because the heat gun was just a little stiff, a little too hot, I guess. Of course, so now I'm stretching out with my fingers. So yeah, I guess you can heat shrink with saran wrap. But is it better than say actual window film style heat shrink? Alright, so what we're going to do is, I've got some double-sided tape. This is just this kind of tape. It is double-sided. Ooh. So we're just going to go ahead tape up. Oh, wow, this stuff's really sticky. Jeez. Trying not to make this tape a permanent fixture to my bowl here. And go to put this bowl in the microwave, it'll probably burn onto the bowl then. It'll ruin my bowl. So, okay, so we've got some basic double-sided tape to see the plastic wrap. That tends to have like a static clean kind of capability. This stuff here doesn't have what saran wrap has. So shit. Get this out of the way. Okay, now, okay, so let's try the heat gun now. sure everything is well sealed. Okay, man, that's hot. Ooh, I keep burning myself with it. Yeah, this one doesn't have any burn marks in it or holes or anything, but there you go, folks. So if you are in a pinch and you want to seal up your windows, I guess you could use plastic wrap and heat seal it. If you don't have any of this window seal. And the same thing here, if you don't have any plastic wrap but you got some of this window film and you want to seal up a bowl, does look like it would work. Now the problem is, can we peel this off? Oh wow, it does actually come right off. Okay, so there you go. Huh. Now let's see what will happen. We just lay this here without sticking it down and then use a heat gun. Whoa. Oh. So there you go, folks. Son of a bitch, that's hot. Stuck right to my fingernail. Shit. Don't ever do that, folks. There you go.